Hi guys, and welcome to Monique's Food Corner. I'm going to show you how to stuff jalapenos and clean them out so you can do stuffed jalapenos. What I won't give you is my secret ingredients for my cream, but I will show you how to stuff them. Alright, come along. Okay, so these are the world famous Joe Poppy's jalapeno peppers. I can't give you the recipe for the filling, but I can tell you that these are amazing, and I'm going to show you how to make them. You can fill them with whatever you like in your poppers and make them amazing too, but I will not share the secret, Joe. Don't worry, I got you covered. Okay. When making jalapeno peppers, you want to make sure that your pepper is the right size. You want to make sure that the tip of the pepper is rounded and not pointy like this one. You want to make sure that the size is not too big. That one would consider very large. And you want to make sure that they're straight, not curved. Okay? So, take your jalapeno, cut the top off, and throw that aside. I have this nifty tool that I use to core out my jalapenos. It's a peeler, but it has sharp edges on the sides and a sharp tip. And it makes great for jalapeno poppers. Find an opening spot, stick it in, and twist. The core in the middle will come out and slide off. And then you just clean it out. You want to make sure to get the veins out of the jalapeno. So you want to make sure you peel it real good in the inside. And then all the way at the tip, you want to scrape to make sure that you get that tip vein out and that it comes out. Let's see, I'm going to show you the tip vein. There we go. And make sure that comes out. Once you have it cleaned out, fairly clean, I like to rinse mine out with water, make sure I get all the seeds out. And there's no seeds inside. And boom, pretty cleaned out jalapeno. Put them aside on a paper towel, let them dry off. I do this large one here now. Stick the core, what you have to clean it out. I think they might actually have jalapeno tools, but this one works well for me. And the more vein in the inside the jalapeno, the hotter it is. And we consider that hot. Or we also call it angry. So the hotter the jalapeno, the more angry it is. And we like them not so angry. Get that tip out. There we go. There's the tip. Rinse it out. Get the little extra seeds and veins out. And that one's done. Okay, I'm going to do this really pointy one. Show you. The pointy ones, the veins at the tip are harder to get out. So these would be your more angrier or hotter jalapeno poppers. one's going to be angry. And I don't know if you can see down in there, but the tip is still in there. That one's going to be angry. That one got a pointy tip. This one, some more rounded tip. See, rounded, less hot. Pointy, more hot. A little more rounded, less hot. All right, we're going to stuff a jalapeno. I'm going to go with something easy, short, round. I like to use a butter knife. Take the cream, or whatever you're filling it with. And push it on in. I like to use a butter knife, because then you can just push it all the way to the bottom, coat the sides. So then you have the sides all coated, and then fill the middle. Helps get rid of those air bubbles. Fill them all the way to the top. Nice and smooth and flat. Bam. So let's try a more pointier one. This is going to be a little bit spicier. Take it, smooth it to the sides. Get it in there all the way down. Once it starts to fill up at the bottom, start bringing it up. Fill on the top. Fill it up. That is my technique to fill in a jalapeno. Let's do one more. Let's do a nice chunky one. I'm gonna need a lot. Let's go ahead. Push it in. Push it to the sides. Fill the sides up. So it goes all the way to the bottom. And you'll hear the air bubbles and then come out. Bada bing, bada boom. Close it up. Clean it up. Done. One more. like I said, that helps to get rid of the air bubbles that are inside. So you don't have the big giant air holes in the middle of your jalapeno popper. Push it to the side. Alright. I'll show you how to wrap them with bacon. Alright, they're stuffed and ready to go.
Right.
Okay, so there's no special way of wrapping the bacon around it to hold it in. No special way of wrapping the bacon to hold it in. But I use a toothpick to hold it. I use the wrap around method for the smaller ones. The wrap around method for the larger ones. And that's it. All my bacon wrapped jalapenos are done and ready to be grilled. And yes, they must be grilled. Please like and subscribe and follow us on YouTube. Live the good life
And living the dream.